What up, y'all? It's your boy two-time Moto TV, and we back with another video. Yo, today we're gonna be installing a tachometer along with a tach adapter from Summit Racing, part number 9117, on a 2004 Crown Victoria, all custom, pushing close to 400 horsepower. I will get it dyno tested soon, but we definitely need a tach adapter. So we will install this tach adapter underneath this 4-inch hood scoop. I believe it'll fit. So we're gonna go ahead and cut everything out the box. And I'm gonna go ahead and hook it up and show you guys and tell you guys exactly what it took to hook this thing up and where I placed everything at as far as wiring and the tach adapter. And you guys already know where that's going. So yeah, man. Y'all sit back, relax, and stay tuned. Alright, so before I show you guys everything after it's installed, this is what the tach adapter comes with. It's, like I said, model number 9117 from Summit Racing. It comes with connectors for the wires and also screws, I guess, to mount the tach adapter wherever you want to mount it at. And the tachometer comes with the same thing. Comes with the hardware for mounting either inside the car or wherever you want to mount it, which I hopefully you mount it inside the car, or if you have a hood scoop like this, you can, you know, take this idea and mount it underneath the hood scoop. But it does come with brackets, wire connectors, and also a clamp. All right, guys, so we got the tachometer wired up like how we want it, but never mind the wires that you guys can see that's open right here. I do have wire loom, as you guys can see right there, that I will be hiding that wire. The reason why that wire is coming from the hood is because you guys know that the tachometer is up inside the 4-inch hood scoop. So I'm gonna start off with telling you guys what wires are coming from the tachometer itself. You have a red wire here, which is a 12-volt positive. You want to connect that to your battery or any 12-volt source. You can hook it up to a fuse inside the car. Really doesn't matter. But I got mine hooked to the battery. You guys can see that white cord. I had to basically add some extra wire to it, to all of them, as you guys can see, because I got wire nuts on them. And this white wire, you can run that to the fuse as well, just something that cuts on while you turn your ignition switch on. So this white wire is for the light to illuminate in the tachometer. This green wire here, you're gonna wanna connect that to the gray wire on your adapter, on your 9117 adapter. And the black wire, you guys know, is your ground. So I got it ran, white wire, I got it grounded here on this nut. And then next, you guys got the tach adapter itself. So you got a gray, a black, a red with a green stripe, and a red wire. All right, so like I said before, you want to connect this gray wire to your green tachometer wire. You're gonna want to connect the black wire to a ground, which I have mine grounded here. You guys can see this wire is grounded underneath this nut, and there is metal behind that. And so what's left is the red wire with the green stripe, trying to get it to focus, and you have your red wire. So what you're gonna want to do, you guys can see that my wires are open down here at the bottom. So this here is your brake booster. This is on your driver's side. This is your brake booster. There is a wiring harness that is right beneath your brake booster. So you're gonna wanna open the sleeve, which you should have like some wire loom or something on your wires. Guys, this is not hard at all, so please don't get overwhelmed with all of the wires. The only thing you gotta do is just find the right color wire, that's it. So don't get overwhelmed. I was about to get overwhelmed at the beginning because there's so many wires down here. But there's only one right wire, and that wire has the color that you need, which is a red with a green stripe. So as you guys can see here, that wire there has red with a green stripe. So you want to cut it wherever you want to cut it at. So there is no juice coming from this end here. So you're gonna want to connect the side with no juice straight to your red and green wire up here. So the red and green wire, once you cut it, you see, once you cut it, you're gonna want to connect the red and green at the top up here. You're gonna want to connect this top part, 'cause like I said, this section above this wire nut has no juice. So once you cut it, this section above here has no juice. Now down there, what's below this wire nut, the red and white, that has juice because it's coming from your PCM and coming from your car. So what you're gonna want to do, like I said, you're gonna want to cut it. You're gonna want to put a wire nut on the end that's closest to the brake booster and the wire harness box, and you're gonna want to connect that to your red and green stripe wire. Now the other end that you cut, you're gonna want to connect that to your red wire, to your solid red wire. That's going to the PCM and that's getting juice. So you guys just know red is positive, you're getting juice. So the side that's not closest to this box here for your wiring harness, you're gonna want to connect your red wire to. All right, I'm about to crank the car up, show you guys what the tachometer look like. I may want to get another one, something that got a little bit more decorative lights and stuff to it, but I'm gonna stick with this one for now because it fits in there perfectly. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the car on so you guys see what it look like. As you guys can see, the needle jumped up. Idling a little above 1K. While she camming, she's bouncing a little bit. Give it a little rev. That's awesome. I'm excited about it. I haven't ran it yet, but I'm about to take it on the street now, and then I'm gonna come and button up all of the wires and then show you guys what it looks like when everything is done and complete. But right now it's on its test stage. So we got the wiring buttoned up. I still need one more thing. I need a bigger roll of wire loom for all of this wire here. And as you guys can trace it, so I did put a piece here that's running to the front, so that's hidden, but this is the only thing that's pretty much open. And I did show you guys how to run your wire, so basically everything is tucked pretty neat. This right here is running to the hood, still has, you know, a little bit of length to it so that when I do pop the hood, it doesn't stretch the wire out. You guys can pretty much see the wire is tucked in back there. And then the wire right there to the tachometer that you cannot see behind the tachometer. But everything is pretty much buttoned up, and I'm very much pleased. I do want to get another tach. I know I've been saying it the whole video. That AutoZone tach, I would not recommend it. Simple fact is you cannot see the needle because it doesn't light up, which pretty much defeats the purpose at nighttime. I can't see really where the RPM is at, but during the day it's fine. But other than that, man, that's how you wire that 9117. That's really what this video was about, is running that tach adapter. So yes, you can put a tachometer on any vehicle, even the ones that have single coils to it. So that's pretty much it, man. It was a simple install, but if you don't know what you're doing, then it's not gonna be quite as simple. So hopefully you guys watch this entire video. If you did have issues with this, I didn't run into any issues, and it wasn't really trial and error. But everything was buttoned up pretty good, man, and I'm pleased with it. So yeah, man, y'all stay tuned for the next video. This was a custom project. There are plenty more custom projects coming on this channel. So you guys stay tuned for that. Make sure y'all sub, hit that bell notification for future uploads, and smash that like button to get these videos recommended so we can get this channel up there, man. The more we get this channel up there, the more I will be able to do to vehicles with stuff like this. So yeah, man, hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Love y'all. 2Time Moto TV out. Y'all have a safe day.